When planning for new kitchen cabinets, one of the first numbers you'll need is your kitchen's linear footage. Linear footage simply means the total horizontal length of cabinetry along your walls. To make this easier, we've created a free downloadable PDF to help calculate your total linear footage. For estimating purposes, 1 linear foot typically includes 1 lower cabinet with 1 drawer and 1 door, along with 1 upper cabinet with 1 door above it. Let's start with an L-shaped kitchen example. If your kitchen has cabinets on multiple walls, measure each wall separately and then add them together to get your total. We will call them Wall A and Wall B. Start by measuring the length of each wall where cabinets will be installed. Measure straight across from end to end in inches. For this example, Wall A is 90 inches and Wall B is 54 inches. Add them together for the total number of inches and divide by 12. That equals 12 linear feet. The same rule follows for a U-shaped kitchen. For this example, Wall A is 40 inches, Wall B is 78 inches, and Wall C is 68 inches. Add them together for 186 inches, divide by 12, and your kitchen's total linear footage is 15.5 feet. Be sure not to include windows, door openings, refrigerator gaps, or islands in your measurements. Linear footage typically only applies to standard upper and lower cabinet runs. With your linear footage in hand, we can begin shaping a kitchen that's not only functional, but thoughtfully designed for the way you live.